Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Zal. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words. Let's start with Zal. In our last video, we covered the letter Dal. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. This letter is from the same category that we did in the previous classes like doll and doll. This letter also when it came at the beginning, like just coming at the beginning and at the end. To the right side we can connect with them another letters, to the left side we can't. And also this letters that just coming at the beginning and middle, or the letter that just we can write to connect to the right side of it, not to left. The style is not changing. Style is all the time the same. Habzal, like Z, have the Z sound. In Arabic language, they pronouncing like Zal. But in Pashto, mostly we pronouncing Zal, like Z. Like Zal and Z didn't have a lot of difference. Mostly we pronounce like Zal. In a word like, for example, we have Zehen. Zehen. Zehen means mind. Zeki zehen shakar kavi. The Zeki Zehen Shakar Kavi. It means Zeki's mind works good. Look, the Zeki, it means Zeki's. This doll is acting like apostrophe S. The Zeki, it means Zeki's. Zehen, mind. Sh, good. Kar Kavi works. Kar work, Kar Kavi. It means, like works. The Zeki Zehen Shakar Kavi. Zeki's mind works good. If you want to say Zeki's mind works not good, then you can say the Zeki Zehen Shakar Ne Kavi. Just Kavi. Adding one not to it to change to negative form. The Zeki Zehen Shakar Ne Kavi. Zeki's mind works not good. Another example that we have, for example, Dai Der Zahin Day. Dai der Zahinde. He is very smart. Dai means he. Der very. Zahin smart. They is. Look, in Pashto language, the most important part is, like masculine and feminine pronoun. Like in some language, like Dari, we, for he, she, it, for all of them using like there is no different if it is masculine or feminine. But in Pashto, we must look to that. And Dai is using for he, and for she will also be having the next example. Dai der Zahin Dai. He is very smart. Dai means he. Der very. Zahin smart. They is. Look, da dera Zahina da. Da dera Zahina da. She is very smart. Look, in the previous example, we learned dai. Dai changed to da. Der. And in this example, we have dera. Look, Zahin, Zahina. Da in previous example was they, and there is the. Look, every part have thick hair, small hair. Look, the there Zahina the. She is very smart. The she there very Zahina smart. The is. The there Zahina the. She is very smart. ښه خوراک ذهن ته فایده لري. ښه خوراک ذهن ته فایده لري. It means good food has benefit to the mind. ښه means good. خوراک food ذهن ته to the mind. فایده benefit لري has or have. ښه خوراک ذهن ته فایده لري. Good food has benefit to the mind. Another word that zal we have on it, for example, kagaz. Kagaz. Kagaz means paper. Like the spin kagaz day. The spin کاغذ دی. It means this is white paper. دا means this. Spin white کاغذ paper دی is. دا spin کاغذ دی. This is white paper. استاد د کاغذ یوه پاڼه راکړه. استاد د کاغذ یوه پاڼه راکړه. The teacher gives a sheet of paper. The teacher gave a sheet of paper. Look, استاد teacher د کاغذ of paper. The کاغذ of paper. Yawa means a. Look, in Pashto language we didn't have, like in English we have, the article a or an. Instead of this, in Pashto we're using yaw or yawa. For masculine we use yaw, for feminine we use yawa. It means a or an. Yaw or yawa means one. Like for example, teacher gave one sheet of paper, like one, not one, it means like a. I mean, in Pashto we didn't have this kind of article like our and. Instead of our and, all the time using one. Yeah, Ustad de kagaz yava pana rakra. Ustad teacher de kagaz of paper. Look, this day means of. De kagaz of paper. Yava a pana sheet rakra give. زه یو پاک کاغذ غواړم. زه یو پاک کاغذ غواړم. It means I need a clean sheet of paper. In reality, we must say I want a clean sheet of paper because غواړم means want and need means then we can say زه یو پاک کاغذ ته ضرورت لرم. Need we can say ضرورت. We can translate like this sentence like this one. I want a clean sheet of paper. زه یو پاک کاغذ غواړم. زه means I. یو a پاک clean کاغذ sheet غواړم want, but we can say need, as well. زه یو پاک کاغذ غواړم. I need a clean sheet of paper. Another word that is always coming on it, for example, ذخیره. ذخیره means storage. د اوبو ذخیره په کور کې ضروري ده. د اوبو ذخیره په کور کې ضروري ده. It means water storage is necessary at home. د اوبو water ذخیره storage په کور کې at home ضروري ده. necessary. د اوبو ذخیره په کور کې ضروري ده. Water storage is necessary at home. هغه خپلې پیسې په بانک کې ذخیره کړې دي. هغه خپلې پیسې په بانک کې ذخیره کړې دي. It means he has saved his money in the bank. هغه خپلې پیسې his own money, his money په بانک کې in the bank ذخیره storage ذخیره کړې دي. Like saved storage. هغه خپلې پیسې په بانک کې ذخیره کړې دي. He has saved or he has stored his money in the bank. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. ذهن mind. د ذکي ذهن ښه کار کوي. د ذکي ذهن ښه کار کوي. Zaki's mind works good. دی ډېر ذهین دی. دی ډېر ذهین دی. He is very smart. دا ډېره ذهینه ده. دا ډېره ذهینه ده. She is very smart. ښه خوراک ذهن ته فایده لري. ښه خوراک ذهن ته فایده لري. Good food has benefit to the mind. کاغذ paper. دا سپین کاغذ دی. دا سپین کاغذ دی. This is a white paper. استاد د کاغذ یوه پاڼه راکړه. استاد د کاغذ یوه پاڼه راکړه. The teacher gave a sheet of paper. زه یو پاک کاغذ غواړم. زه یو پاک کاغذ غواړم. I need a clean sheet of paper. ذخیره ذخیره storage. د اوبو ذخیره په کور کې ضروري ده. د اوبو ذخیره په کور کې ضروري ده. Water storage is necessary at home. هغه خپلې پیسې په بانک کې ذخیره کړې دي. هغه خپلې پیسې په بانک کې ذخیره کړې دي. He has saved his money in the bank. If you would like to learn Pashto or Dari online, feel free to contact me. I've got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like iTalk quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.